Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for all the best products. Today, we're diving into a true game changer for your household and outdoor needs. If you're on the hunt for the most reliable and versatile ladder, let me introduce you to the best King Kombo Ladder, the 15.5 FT telescoping ladder from Soctone. This ladder is designed with safety and functionality in mind, making it the ideal choice for a wide range of tasks around the home or on the job. Whether you're fixing light bulbs, working on your roof, or even doing some repairs on your RV, this ladder has got your back. One of the standout features of the Soctone 15.5 FT telescoping ladder is its sturdy aluminum alloy frame, which makes it both lightweight and incredibly durable. It can hold up to 330 pounds, giving you the confidence to tackle tough jobs without worrying about the ladder's stability. It's also resistant to rust, corrosion, and high and low temperatures, ensuring that it will last for years to come, no matter the conditions. But safety is where this ladder really shines. Equipped with non-slip feet and angled bottom caps, you'll have enhanced stability while climbing. Plus, the addition of hooks provides extra security when you're working on surfaces like the attic, roof, or even on a tree. These hooks secure the ladder in place, preventing any wobbling or slipping, which makes your work safer and easier. Another impressive feature is the retractable design of this ladder. It's collapsible and incredibly portable. When you're done, simply retract it and store it in the trunk of your car or in any corner of your house. It's compact, which means you can take it anywhere, making it an ideal companion for RV owners and outdoor enthusiasts. The ladder also comes with a fixed belt, ensuring that it stays neatly secured when you're on the move. The ladder is equipped with smart locking pins that make sure the parts stay securely in place as you extend and retract it. The ladder retracts smoothly and slowly, reducing the risk of any accidents while packing it up or extending it. With a maximum height of 15.5 feet, this telescoping ladder offers plenty of reach for both indoor and outdoor use. You'll find it useful for everything from cleaning gutters to accessing hard-to-reach areas around your home. Its versatility extends to multiple tasks, making it one of the most reliable ladders you'll ever own. So, if you're looking for a ladder that combines strength, safety, portability, and ease of use, the best King Kombo Ladder, the 15.5 FT telescoping ladder by Soctone, is the perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on top-rated products like this one.